Hello everyone. The title of this video is Closing a Study. So what does it mean to close a study? Closing a study with the IRB means reporting that your study has been completed. The principal investigator closes the study when they have finished the collection of all data from the research participants. This means that there are no interactions or interventions with the study participants, including face-to-face, email, phone, or online interactions and interventions. There are no communication whatsoever. It is the PI's responsibility to report to close their study within 10 days of finishing all data collection, after which the IRB will approve that request. So let me show you how to make a request to close your study in Mentor. Go ahead and open the protocol that you wish to close. Then, at the top of the page, locate the Close Protocol button and click it. If you notice, the date has already been recorded, so go ahead and click the Close Protocol button below the date. Clicking the Close Protocol button will automatically update the NSU IRB online system, indicating that you have requested to close your study. Please remember that you must request to close your study within 10 days of finishing all data collection or after you have completed gathering information for your study. Please contact the NSU IRB if you have any questions about this process.